Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify keyboard. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify keyboard, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this list of app info you will enter to the window of force stop. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. You will find here clear data. Don't click on it because that can make or give you a lot of errors on your app, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode and you click here and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.